here you go. This is basically all I've done to seal the tank. So basically this rubber finger goes over here. Can't do it one-handed, but basically that goes over there. Got to pull it tight, and that also means by being pulled tight, this will go into the threads, okay? And then the tape pulls it into the thread, stops it expanding with the weight of the fluid, okay? As you can see, this is where it's been on 16 hours, but basically that will now go around there and do a perfect job, okay? So that's a very easy way of not wrecking the fuel tap, melting anything, using some of these acids and stuff to clean your tanks out. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, and any of our products. We'll work on cars, bikes, you name it. This ethanol fuel will screw your tank. No two ways about it, I'm sorry, but it will. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.